Hello friends, welcome to all. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. In this video I am going to explain about kleptomania, which is known as the mental disorder that is most commonly occur in females, and most of time due to this kind of disorder they are just trying to steal some articles, and many times they are doing shopping, but they just intentionally choosing some articles and without any consent and without any kind of discussion. Here is some definition regarding to this disease: stole some selected kind of articles without asking anything, without having any kind of consent. That is known as the kleptomania. It is a very severe kind of mental disorder that is most commonly occur in females. And here is some selected kind of features that is most commonly occur in this type of the disease. So here is some symptoms. This type of patient is most of time unstable, using some selected kind of alcoholism and different kind of the drugs for a long time, maybe suffered from eating disorders, and there may be chances of severe kind of frustration and anxiety in the life. So this type of situation is most commonly occur, and this type of symptoms is most commonly seen, but the main symptoms is just using and choosing of articles without asking to someone and steal them. And if we're looking for the treatment section, there is not a certain kind and suitable kind of the treatment, but we should try to focus on specific types of therapy such as psychotherapy, discussion with the patient, and promote to the patient to reveal this kind of the problems in his and her lives. This type of option may be very favorable for this type of the conditions. And if you're looking for the causes this kind of the disease, there may be some certain kind of causes most commonly occur. This is due to severe kind of the depression, poor kind of lifestyle, and just ignorance of the life. That may be also a leading cause of this type of the problems. So friends, hope you will be satisfied with my discussion, and thanks for listening and subscribe my channel.